Welcome back, learners, to another playlist of Tech Course Mastery. In this playlist, we'll be specially dealing about WBJEE Physics, the chapter-wise solutions of last 5 years question papers. This is going to be immensely helpful for you all, especially in the last minute preparations. So please go through the videos one after another and comment if you have any problem in understanding any of the videos. So enjoy and have a nice time. See you soon. Welcome, learners, to Tech Course Mastery's WBJEE Physics Last Minute series. In this video, we will be covering the vectors question in the last 5 years, namely the years 2019 to 2023 in WBJEE Physics exam. So let's dive deeper. There were no questions from vectors in the year 2019 and 2021, so we will be directly going into the year 2020. So the question in WBJ 2020 was 3 vectors were given in terms of I, J and K, and it was asked to find out C dot A cross B. We can do it in the conventional method by first doing A cross B and then doing the dot product with C vector, but that would be time consuming, and as we know in WBJEE the main essence is time, so we have to save the time here. So rather than doing with the conventional method, we will go with the scalar triple product method. In it, C dot A cross B can be calculated directly by using a determinant, as you can see on the screen. Here we have expanded the determinant by using the first row. So 1 by root 5 minus 2 by root 5 and 2 by root 5 were in the cofactors, and in the minors you can see we have in the first minor we have 1 into 1 multiplied then minus 1 into minus 1, and in that way we have just did it by the simple determinant expansion and we have got the result to be 0. So the answer for this question will be 0 directly by using scalar triple product. It is to be noted that scalar triple product basically determines the volume of a parallelepiped. A parallelepiped is shown in the screen. It is basically a parallelogram in 3 dimensions. The 3 vectors represents the 3 co-initial sides or edges of that parallelepiped, and the box product or the scalar triple product calculates the volume of that figure. In WBJEE 2022, the question was relating to a particle which was moving in an elliptical orbit. Its linear momentum, angular momentum, and the radius vectors were given. It was not shown in the diagram, but it was told about those things, and it was asked to find out the direction of a vector alpha, which is defined by the cross product of linear momentum P and the angular momentum L. If we imagine the rotational motion is happening on a tabletop, the particle at any instant is at the point shown in the diagram. The linear momentum vector will be pointing in a tangential direction along the direction of the linear velocity, and the radius vector will be directed from the focus of that elliptical path towards the particle. So the vector r and p will be on the surface of the table as shown in the diagram. Now if we do the cross product of r vector and p vector, it will be directed in the upward direction, and this can be achieved by using the right hand thumb rule. We will be pointing our forefingers from r towards p, and the thumb will point upwards, and that will be the direction of the angular momentum. So angular momentum vector will be in the vertically upward direction from the tabletop. Now the angular momentum and the linear momentum are shown in the diagram. Both of them is going to be in the vertical plane. The linear momentum is along y-axis and the angular momentum is along z-axis. Now if we do the cross product of P cross L, we have to do it by the right hand thumb rule. We have to rotate our forefingers from P towards L, and we will be seeing that our thumb will be pointing in the direction of the x-axis, and that will denote the direction of alpha vector, which is P cross L. So the direction of the alpha vector is going to be along the positive x-axis. In WBJEE 2023, the question was relating to a U-tube. containing a liquid and its cross-sectional area was uniform throughout. The U-tube was accelerated towards right in the horizontal direction with an acceleration of f. A constant acceleration due to gravity g was acting in the vertically downward direction. As a result of this motion, there was a difference of height between the right side and the left side of the U-tube, and that difference of height was h, and the question was asked to calculate that in terms of g, f and a. Now in this situation, there are two accelerations acting on the U-tube. One is the acceleration due to gravity acting vertically downwards. Another is the applied acceleration F acting in the horizontal direction towards right. If we draw a triangle by using the F vector and G vector, the resultant will be shown by the vector R, and the angle between the resultant vector R and F be theta. Then we can define the tan theta as the height divided by base, which is the magnitude of vector g divided by the magnitude of vector f. So tan theta will be g by f. Now if we draw a triangle by using A and H, we will be seeing that this triangle will be very similar to the triangle that was drawn by using G and F, and the angle theta will also be equal in those two triangles. So the tan theta in this case is H divided by A, and in the earlier case it was G divided by F. If we equate both of them, then H will be basically G by F times A, and that is going to be the answer. If you have liked this video, then please like and follow and share and subscribe. And for getting a free ebook on vectors, comment vectors down below. And also don't forget to watch our next videos that will be on the next chapters of WBJEE. Thank you.